Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character do or du step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word for each pronunciation and one sentence. Now, let's get started. Do or do according to different context. As do, it means or, both. Du, capital city. Or Chinese surname. For example, Chengdu. Chengdu. Chengdu is capital of Sichuan province in southwest China. Dadou. For the most part. For example, most members of the tour groups come from Chengdu. Most members of the tour groups come from Chengdu.旅行团成员大都来自成都。旅行团成员 members of the tour groups 大都 most of 来自 come from 成都 a city 旅行团成员大都来自成都。Most members of the tour groups come from 成都。旅行团成员大都来自成都。旅行团成员大都来自成都。Do in cursive. Do. Do or both. Du, capital city, surname, 成都, 大都, for the most part. Most members of the tour groups come from 成都。旅行团成员大都来自成都。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 成都. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.